Daily cryptocurrency video. In today's video I will be talking about Bitcoin, Reef, and Iota. So let's dive into Bitcoin on the weekly time frame real quick before anything. So this is Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, as you guys can see right here. Sorry, let me remove this real quick. So this is the exponential moving average on the weekly. Can we hit the 45,000 region before making another bounce up back up? Yes, that is very, very possible. That is a 20 MA. We have been supported on the weekly ever since last year, guys. April 20th, exactly a year ago, we made that nice run up all the way up, and we have been supported. We haven't, like right here, we came back, tried to touch it, and we went back up. So can we come back and retest that? In my opinion, yes, it is very, very possible. But before anything, I wouldn't be completely bearish, guys, on the weekly, on the long term, until Bitcoin breaks below the 20 MA essentially. This is a very, very crucial support in my opinion, and if we break that, I would be looking to go bearish or short essentially. So let's have a look at the daily time frame real quick. We went from the weekly, we're gonna go daily and then 4 hour and try to go on the shorter time frame. After that, I cover the other coin. Before anything, guys, I'm sorry if my mic doesn't sound as good, or the voice or the sound. I don't have my equipment on me right now as we are speaking. So on the daily time frame, we are in a downtrend, unfortunately, guys. I did mention that once we would break the exponential moving average towards the downside, which was right here, which we broke right here, then I would be bearish essentially, at least the medium term. But there is still some hope, and the reason why I say that is because we're seeing two ugly candles right here that are rejected by the bulls. That means the bulls are fighting. They're fighting hard. They don't want the price to go down. I'm assuming Tesla and MicroStrategy and Elon and all these big buyers, they're buying they're buying Bitcoin and they're buying crypto right now. They're buying the dip because they know this is the future. That being said, guys, there's still some hope, so please don't panic sell. Before anything, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence. Let's have a look at 4 hour time frame real quick. This is the 4 hour time frame on Bitcoin. The good thing is that, okay, first of all, let's speak about the bad thing first. The bad thing is that we are making lowers right here. So we are still in a downtrend, as you guys can see right here. If we break that downtrend and we come back up to here, that would be good news in my opinion. But on the short time frame, we are making higher lows. So we saw a low right here and a low right here. So on the shorter time frame, we are in an uptrend, I would say. Now we can test the exponential moving average right here, which is a 20. We haven't broken the 20 exponential moving average since we dropped down essentially, which was April 17, about 10 days ago. Even less than that, sorry, 7 days ago, about a week. Yeah, I would say about a week. We haven't broken that. So we saw a retest right here, right here, right here, right here. Now, can Bitcoin come back and retest? Yes, I think it will come back and retest. I'm going to be looking for a short right here and essentially a tight stop loss. That being said, if we break above here and we continue going up and we break essentially all these ribbons, that's when I'm going to be looking to be bullish again. Until we break that, I won't be bullish. So that being said, guys, please don't overuse leverage and don't go long, don't go short until further confirmation. We could still see a rejection right here on Bitcoin. So let's have a look at the lower time frame on the 15-minute. Let's move these ribbons away real quick. On the lower time frame, yeah, we're still in an uptrend. I am seeing an inverse head and shoulder on the lower time frame right here. So this would be the left shoulder, and then the head, and then the right shoulder. If this goes accordingly, guys, our target would approximately be 52,750. This is the neckline. And as I tell you guys all the time, when we break of an inverse head and shoulder, we usually come back, retest, and then pop back up. So we can come back, retest before seeing another move to the upside. Yeah, so Bitcoin, it's been recovering slightly. It's been recovering pretty well today. It was down, I believe, 4.5%. So let's see what it does today and by tomorrow. Let's have a look at Reef, guys. This is Reef. Let's have a look on the 4 hour time frame. See what we can do. Let's take out the volume profile to see where the most the volume is essentially. Most of the volume is. So most of the volume is up here. We got rejected. Wow, we had a nice rejection up there. I believe it pumped 4%. We saw some good news on Reef. Sorry, guys. We saw some good news on Reef a few days ago and popped. I think that was a 10% run. Wow, even more, 20% run on Reef. And yeah, we got rejected by the point of control. Came back down. As you guys can see right here, there's a lot of movement around the POC level, and there's a lot of rejection. So we saw rejection right here, right here, right here, right here towards the downside, came back down, flew. This was last Sunday, I believe. That was a huge flash crash. Wow, that was an insane flash crash last week. We blew through the POC level 45% in one day, and came back up essentially and corrected, consolidated, and we are now still on a downtrend. Let's see the exponential moving average. We're way below it, I believe. Not so. Okay, so we're still below it, but it's essentially doing exactly what Bitcoin's doing. I like Reef. I'm still a fan of it. I know there was a lot of FUD a few weeks ago, and a few days ago. A few weeks ago there was a lot of FUD. A lot of people said it was a scam. I don't think it's a scam, guys. You guys just need to do your own research and and stop listening to the media. Essentially, there was a lot of on Twitter. There was a huge mess. There was a tweet going on by Almendar, whatever the company was. I don't know who the hell it was. And essentially it created FUD, and everyone started panic selling, and the panic sell took, I believe it was right here. No, it wasn't right here. It was, yeah, I think it was right here or right here. I don't know exactly where it was, guys. I don't remember. But guys, if you believe in a project, then keep holding, and you should just keep accumulating. Let's move on to Iota, guys. Iota took a nice little hit today after a nice recovery yesterday. This is on a daily time frame. Iota is on sale. They are coming out with a new Firefly wallet, currently down 13% of the day. Recovered, now only down approximately 9%, 10%. Iota is on sale in my opinion. We are hitting the support right here, the support level. I will be stealing and stacking on Iota. I will be buying some more Iota, of course. It's one of my favorite projects. Iota was actually one of the first coins I've ever bought back in 2016. So I love this project. I just think it's a little bit too high right now, but on the macro term, of course, guys, this thing is gonna pop. I think this thing can reach $10, even $15. They have a lot of partnership with BMW, Jaguar, and so on. So I don't see any reason why Iota, with their new upgrade, why it can go to $15. But I would like to see one more touch in the support level, the 1.2. I don't think we're gonna see it, to be honest, but I'm essentially gonna keep buying a dip, and this would be probably my biggest buy. If it doesn't reach there, fine, whatever. I'm gonna buy it as it goes up again. So always dollar cost average your position, guys. That would be my strategy. If you guys have $10,000, don't go all in one coin. You always want a dollar cost average, because if dips happen and you use all your $10,000, you won't have any money to buy. So that being said, always split your investments and always dollar cost average your position down, because I'll explain to you guys right here, right now. Think about it. You want to invest in Iota, you really believe in it, okay? If you bought right here all your money, okay, or even here, let's say here, if you put $10,000 here and that was all your investments, and let's assume you could afford to lose that investment, okay, so, and you're looking at it in the long term, you peaked right here and it goes down, so like you're already in minus right here, right? Now if you dollar cost average your position and you buy here, right here, right here, right here, right here, you guys need to split your investments essentially. So if you have $10,000 and you want to do 10 different buys, you could buy here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. And then your average would approximately be like right here instead of being right here. So guys, if you have like money and you have always split your investments, always dollar cost average, even if it's towards the upside. It's the best strategy to do. If you have if you see a massive dump right now, your initial investment should be here. I would put, maybe if you have 10,000, I would maybe put like 3,000 on Iota, and then as it goes down, I would put 1, 1, 1, and then essentially, you guys want to essentially split it. That's the bottom line. That's how I would do it, and that's about it. So anyways, that being said, we are seeing Iota right here hitting support. I would imagine we're gonna see a bounce this week from Iota, especially with all the good news happening. So I don't think it goes below this region. If it does, we could see this region, which was the point of control. Anyways, so let's have a look at the moving averages on Iota real quick. Yeah, so we did hit the 50 moving average on Iota and got rejected exactly exactly from the moving average. Let's have a look at the exponential moving average. We are still in between the exponential moving average. That being said, I think that we are in an alt season right now. I know it might not sound like it, but let's have a look at Bitcoin. Look at this, guys. This is Bitcoin. This is the Bitcoin dominance. And if I look back in the days, this was our alt season right here back in 2016-17. That's when everything exploded like 1,000,000%. I'm exaggerating, of course. So this can very well happen again. Sorry guys, I'm expecting an explosive alt season once the Bitcoin dominance reaches 46.1, which is right here, which is this level. So until then, you know, we might not see the alt season that we know, but it's gonna be very big once we reach that level, in my opinion. Anyways guys, this is today's cryptocurrency update. If you guys like this video, please leave a comment, subscribe, like. If you guys have any questions, put in the comment below, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for 400 subscribers. Peace.